You let 2024 slip away. You also drifted through 2025 saying, "I'll begin tomorrow." And if today you keep consuming content without changing anything, then 2026 will look exactly the same. The same justifications, the same endless scrolling, the same version of you who quietly feels let down at night. Maybe you're thinking, "I want to improve, but where do I begin?" That's the real issue. Life doesn't shift when you declare it. Life shifts when you step back and silently shape your next version behind the scenes. Now let's break this down properly. I'll divide it into 3 sections. And remember, if the final step is wrong, regret is guaranteed. Part 1: How to step back, disappear. First, learn to stay quiet. Your words often work against you. We naturally overshare with friends, family, co-workers. From now on, stop revealing everything about your life. It takes discipline because this habit is hard to break. You need to catch your thoughts and stop them before they come out. Second, focus on yourself. To truly step back, remove one thought: what will people think about me? The truth is, most people aren't thinking about you. The problem is, you believe they are, and you start living according to them. From now on, picture your ideal future self. Every day ask, would that version be proud of what I did today? That opinion matters completely. Everyone else's opinion doesn't. This mindset will stop you from being controlled by others and help you take charge of your life. Third, keep your plans private. During growth, you'll get big ideas. You'll feel excited and want to share them. Don't. Imagine every time you tell someone your plan, your chances of success drop slightly. If you need guidance, talk only to the right expert and share only what's necessary. Fourth, don't display your progress. Growth will happen, but don't show it off. No transformation photos, no showing wealth. Staying low-key only works when the transformation is complete. If you start showing off midway, your old ego will return and pull you back to the start. Fifth, handle pain, failure, and emotions in silence. This phase is tough. You'll feel exhausted, you may cry, you may fall. The natural reaction is to seek comfort from others. But in this mode, you deal with it yourself. Heal alone, recover alone. Because this struggle is what shapes your new version. Don't avoid pain, turn it into strength. Part 2: Transformation, working quietly. First, set a clear goal. Decide what you want to become: stronger mindset, better discipline, inner peace, anything. Write it down and place it somewhere private. Second, design your life around your goal. Every hour should move you closer to it. Learn new skills, create daily schedules, review weekly progress, divide goals into smaller monthly targets. Follow one rule: if it supports my goal, it stays. If not, it goes. Third, retrain your mind. Start enjoying working quietly. At first, it will feel strange: no attention, no appreciation. But one day, you'll realize you don't even need recognition. You'll become comfortable in your own space. You'll become focused, calm, and self-driven. Stepping back is not running away. It's self-control and discipline. If you liked it, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.